Thinking about applying for the CIBC Aeroplan Visa Infinite card? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to make it easy. First, check your eligibility. You need to be at least 18 years old, a Canadian resident, and have a strong credit history. Having your income and address history ready will make this process smoother. Next, head to the official CIBC website and find the Aeroplan Visa Infinite card page. Take a moment to review the key benefits like earning Aeroplan points on everyday purchases, a welcome bonus, and a strong travel insurance. When you're ready, click apply now. Fill in your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with the employment information and annual income. CIBC will run a soft credit check first, so your credit score won't be affected. If that passes, you'll complete the full application, often get an instant decision if approved. Your card typically arrives by mail. If you have your card approved, your card typically arrives by mail, and it will take you about like 7 to 10 business days. Once it's delivered, activate it online or through CIBC mobile app, then you're all set to start earning Aeroplan points on your purchases and enjoy travel benefits. And that's it. It's really simple, fast, rewarding. And if this video helped, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover another card next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time around.